Most people don't invest consistently because they think they're doing it wrong. They ask questions like, am I investing too little? Should I be doing more? What if I can't afford what others are investing? And that uncertainty is often enough to make people do nothing at all. In this video, I'll show you exactly how much you should invest each month using a simple rule that actually works no matter your income. I'm Edward Kalstian, founder of Egg Capital. This channel isn't about hype, shortcuts, or trying to get rich fast. It's about building wealth slowly, consistently, and intelligently, especially if you're just getting started. Let's get one thing out of the way. There's no perfect monthly amount that guarantees success. The best amount is not the one that maximizes returns on paper. It's the amount you can invest consistently, month after month, without stress. Consistency beats optimization every single time. Here's the simple rule I want you to remember. Invest 10 to 20% of your income after your essentials are covered. That's it. Not before rental mortgage, groceries, insurance, and your emergency fund. Investing should never come at the cost of financial stability. If 10% feels too high right now, start with 5%. If you're comfortable and stable, aim for 15 or 20%. The exact percentage matters far less than starting and sticking with it. Now let's make this real. $50 per month, that's okay. $100 per month, that's enough to start. $200 per month, you're doing great. $500 or more per month, only if it's sustainable. I've seen people invest $1,000 once and then stop. And I've seen people invest $150 per month for 20 years and the second person almost always wins. When you invest monthly, something very powerful happens. You remove emotion from the process. When markets fall, you buy more shares. When markets rise, your portfolio grows. This is called dollar cost averaging. You're not trying to be smart, you're trying to be consistent. And consistency is the real edge most investors almost never develop. Here are the mistakes beginners make when deciding how much to invest. Investing too much and panicking, waiting for the perfect time, comparing themselves to others, starting big and then quitting, and treating investing like a one-time decision. Investing is not an event, it's a habit. Here's the good news. You don't need to get it perfect from day one. Increase your monthly investments when your income increases, your expenses go down, or your confidence grows through learning. This is how investing should feel: calm, predictable, and slightly boring. Boring is good. So if you're wondering how much you should invest each month, remember this. Start small, be consistent, increase slowly, and never stress yourself financially. The goal is not to impress anyone. The goal is to build future freedom one month at a time. If this video helped you, like it so more beginners can find it. And subscribe if you want investing explained clearly, without noise or hype. And comment below. What monthly amount feels realistic for you right now?